No, I did not.
I'm dropping my... Guys, I'm dropping my... Where are you guys at? We are at zero gravity. Give me good money, Green. Kill me, Green. Green, kill me. I don't get money.
Toilet your guy. Oh.
Don't you... He died. Guys? Okay. Nothing.
Okay,
I just got money.
Ratchet!
Guys, be careful. Come here.
Beluki.
Yo, can I get a big one?
Yeah, get this.
Guys, come here.
Is that a gift or something? What is that? Box. Guys, let's just go. I don't want that.
What is this for something?
Do we go that way or that way? Which way do you recommend we go? That way or that way?
Climb up, climb up, climb up.
Climb up what?
Climb up, but don't touch anything.
We have one...
We're going to
didn't-
find a way forward.
Guys,
like, we're gonna go right
Guys,
here, but we need to go up.
Guys,
No, we don't need to go up.
guys, I'm falling and I can't get up.
Don't, like,
Yeah, we gotta go this way.
that's not... Yeah, we need to go up. Look, wait, stand, wait. Look, we need to go there. Up, and then forward.
I just got some money. 554. Dude. Bro? Dude, are you there?
Where are you?
I'm next to this gift. If there's a flashlight. I'm flickering my flashlight. Dude.
I'm behind you.
You're behind me?
Here.
Yeah.
Look, we can't touch these.
Somebody died here.
We need to go this way. Yeah, it's over here.
Definitely.
So now be careful here. Now here we're gonna be
Got
very
more
careful.
money.
Oh,
Because it's here, it could get...
guys, I'm going to local.
Dude, don't fall! Oh my god.
I'm here.
I
I
thought
took
you
some
died.
gold.
I don't need gold.
Alright, I'm never dying.
Shit. Oh fuck! He kinda killed everybody.
What happened? No, oh no.
What?
I see the gangler fish over there. No light. Just run forward, okay?
It's 0 gra-
Run.
DVD top.
uh,
No.
We're up here.
Oh, let's sell.
Top, yes.
We need to sell everything.
gravity.
you at?
There's zero. They gravity.
I'm in gravity.
I've got to show you.
Guys,
Second line, let's go.
Yeah,
How much is that?
move.
11K. I have 11K.
shoot me. Shoot
I have 11K.
You also do.
I have 11K.
I'm scared.
Yo, I have 11K.
Animal company.
I love Skibbity Toilet.
I have Susie Bakaras. If you get too many shotguns, the game should explode.
How do I get a bunch
Some money.
It just kills everything.
Hey, Green,
Yeah.
can you buy me a shotgun?
And how much?
I can buy you how many
What?
shotguns as you want.
10K.
Can you buy me one, please?
I got 10K of that. I have 10K.
Do you know how much I have? I have 67K.
Okay.
That's a crossbow. I should use it on the new crossbow. That's a shotgun. Holy shit.
Oh, come on!
I wanna. Oh, shotgun. Holy shit, Joe. How the hell did you disarm me like that? You. Hold on, hold on.
I'm sorry, man.
Guys, climb. Let's explore in the sewer. That's not the grenade. Yeah. There's so many grenades. There's like 11 grenades.
Today I just bombed the entire city. Getting broke. I have 10 million now. Guys, we're coming with the Skibbity Toilet. I got your. I'm coming to South Place.
Guys, I got your skibbity slicers, guys. I got your skibbity slicers. Don't worry, I got your skibbity slicers. I got your.
Can I have one?
No, you gotta sell those.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I'm selling it.
Oh, shotgun.
I got one so far. I came out of the.
It's still zero gravity. A fly.
Wait, but wait.
Yeah.
Um,
I'm stop recording.
okay, go.